Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And today we will be discussing how you can share your investment data or details with your family. And for that we will be using old USB pen drive and we will be using encryption so that the data you are sharing with your family on a pen drive stays safe and only you and your family member can access that data. So before we start, like why we want to share your investment details with family or anybody else. So like there can be many scenarios like God forbid something happens to you and you have done investments at multiple places like here we have Axis, RBI Gold, Tata Small Cap, stocks, REIT, PPF, and even you have purchased some NFTs or crypto, and mostly that data is with you. You know all the websites and all the passwords and all the unique IDs or usernames for those websites. And God forbid, if something happens to you, how your family will know about these investments that you have done. Let's say if you are in a remote place, you do not have any internet connection, and you want someone from your family to manage your investment. So they need these details, and only that way they can manage your investment. So how you will make sure that your family knows like how to log into the websites and how to uh, do whatever you want to do with your investments. And maybe you want to keep your investment details safe with you on a pen drive, and because the printed data can easily be visible to anybody, and you just want to keep your investment details with you on a pen drive. So let's see like how we can create an encrypted USB drive that can be shared with your family and can be used whenever it's needed. So first of all, like we have this Google Sheet that has all the investment details that we have done. So like this Access Mutual Fund, we have this folio number, which can identify your investment in this fund, and same with RBI Gold Bonds. You must have some unique number for your investment, and same for other investments. You can also add in this page from which website you have invested in this mutual fund. So maybe you have invested from Axis Axis Mutual Fund website, or you have invested from a broker like Zerodha, or you have invested from MF Utility, and then you can put your username for that website, and you can also add password if you want to. So all these detail you can add in this sheet, or you can create a separate sheet for all the folio numbers, or from which website you have done all the investment, and the usernames and the password. So when you have like your sheet is ready, and you have all the details there that you want to share with your family, then just download this file in Excel. So it is downloaded. We will go to the location. So this is the file we downloaded. So now we want to encrypt this file in a USB so that we can share it with your family. So we will go to Google and we will search VeraCrypt. So VeraCrypt is a software tool which is free, and it can create encrypted USB drives and which are portable. So you can use the same USB on a Windows machine and on a Linux machine or a Mac OS. So there's a great software. So just go to this site, go to download, and download this portable version, because we want to have this software in the pen drive itself so that we can decrypt or encrypt our data. So we'll download this portable version. I've already downloaded it. So here is this. So once this is downloaded, we can double click it and we can install this. We can extract this software in the pen drive. So we will provide a path where the software will be extracted. So investment is the pen drive I'm using. It's a pen drive, and I'll create a folder here where I can, and I'll just select this folder and I'll extract the software in this folder. So now let's wait till it's extract. So the software is extracted now. So we can see like in this USB drive investment, we have this folder called Veracrypt. Now we will double click this folder and we will run the software Veracrypt. So this window pops up. Now we have to select a volume because we have to create a volume where we want to save our data in an encrypted state. So we'll create a volume and we can choose any available drive. So here like C is taken, D is taken and E is taken. So we can choose F. We can do create volume and we will keep the default option create an encrypted file container. And it will be a standard Veracrypt volume and where we want to store this encrypted container. So we will go to our USB drive and we will give a name to this encrypted folder. So we will type investment data.hc. So hc is the file type and we will press next, and now it will ask which type of encryption algorithm we want. So AES is good enough and we will do next. Then this pen drive is like 1 GB and 882 MB is free, so you can give the size, how much size of that folder where we want to save the data. So we can say okay, we will give 500 MB and now we will give the password. So this password, with this password your family member can access the encrypted data or you can access the encrypted data. So here I'm using a simple password. You can use a complicated password or whatever password you and your family member can remember. So this password, if forgotten, cannot be recovered. So like use a password that is unique to you. That is use a password that is unique, can be easily remembered by you and will be difficult to guess by somebody else. So for this demo, I'm using this password. Do not use this password. There's a very easy password. So now we will press next. And here like we are having a warning here, but like because it's a demo, we will say yes. And now just move your mouse so that it can collect some randomness from your mouse movements so that it can use that randomness to encrypt your data. And now we will format the folder and just say no, we do not want to disable Windows Fast Startup. And now it will take some time to format that encrypted folder. And now our Veracrypt volume is successfully created. So we can press OK and we can exit. And now we can go to the pen drive. So this is our folder, but we cannot access it. So how to access it? So we will again choose a volume which is not selected. So C, D, E. So F is not selected. So we can select F. And then we can choose a file because we are now gonna open this folder. So we will select the file. We will go to investment. We will select this file. We'll press open. and then we will click this mount button. So now it will ask the password. So our password was QWERTY @123, and now it will take some time and it will mount that folder. So now if we go to this PC, so here is the encrypted folder. So here now we can save our data. So this was the investment details, and we will copy this to this folder, and we will go to VeraCrypt, and we will click dismount all. So now that folder is removed and we cannot access it, and our data is also encrypted. So now you can see in pen drive there is the file, we cannot open it anyway. There is the VeraCrypt software with which we can mount that folder again and access the data. So now you can share this pen drive with your family. So let me remove the pen drive. So now how your family will access this data. So as they will insert the pen drive will load and they can use again this VeraCrypt software. In VeraCrypt software again we will select a drive. We will select the file and we will press mount, and then again when we provide the password, that folder will decrypt and now we can see the data inside that folder. So here it is, F drive, and we can see our investment details. So this is how you can share your data with your family, and you can do one more thing. You can put a label on the pen drive with a hint of a password, so that your family member can remember what password, with which password this folder can be decrypted. And also you can save inside this folder, you can save how to like in this inside this pen drive you can save instructions on how to like use this software and how to decrypt this folder. So in VeraCrypt website there is documentation, and in documentation there is a beginner's tutorial. So you can download this page in PDF and save this page in the pen drive. So let's print it in PDF and we'll save in downloads. How to use the software, how to use VeraCrypt. So we will go to download. So there is the PDF and it has all the details like how you can use the VeraCrypt software. Here it is. So now we can copy this to our pen drive, and whenever your family member want to use this software, they can use this PDF to use this software and access the encrypted data. There is another way, you can create a README. So I've created one like this. Open VeraCrypt folder, click on this exe, window will open, select any drive letter, then click on file button, then go to this path and select the file, then click mount, and it will ask the password and the folder will be mounted. Or so this readme also you can place, like we will do save as, and this readme also we can save in this pen drive. So this is the readme. This again can help your family member to run this software. And like if you want more visual method, then I've also created a PowerPoint. So this also can be used. So it gives like step by step, okay, how to access the encrypted data. So first, like We will click this folder and then we'll click the exe. This folder will this window will appear. We can select the drive. Then we have to select the file, and after that we have to click the mount button. Then we have to give the password, and that folder will load, and you can access the investment details. So this is how like you can share your investment data with your family or friends, and only your family, only the people you want to access this data can access this data. For others, it will be an encrypted drive, and like your old USB drive will be reused here. And plus, you can also use this technique for other tasks as well, like you are traveling and you want your all your documents to be with you in digital form. uh, and but there is a chance that someone can steal your pen drive, so you can encrypt it with this software, so it will stay encrypted even if that pen drive get lost or somebody steals it. Then also that data is inaccessible to the person. Only you can access it. So that's it. That's the video. That's how you can share your investment details with your family. If you like the video, please do press like button, and please subscribe the channel. Please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.